In this video, we're going to be having a look at a selection of Govee products. Make sure you stick around, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button below and keep an eye out for more videos. Hi, I'm Will from Surridge Tech, and today we're going to have a look at this box. This is a gift box from Govee. So let's see what we've got. So in here we have got the Govee Immersion LED TV backlight. We've also got the Govee Aura table lamp. So, the table lamp is a table lamp. Works with Amazon and Google Assistants and the Govee app, and we can install it into Home System, which is great. It's got lighting, it's got music sync, it's got finger sketch, whatever that means. Obviously it's colour, and it's addressable, so you can kind of have different colours at the top and the bottom and have patterns and all that kind of thing. So, let's have a look in the box. Instruction manuals. We've got a power cable, more plastic, a lot of plastic, power cable and an adapter, a control box this is apparently. And then we have the lamp itself. Nothing else. That actually doesn't look too bad. A bit plasticky feeling. And a bit plasticky on the buttons, but other than that, it looks quite nice. So, the TV backlight. Basically, I'm not going to waste your time. I had filmed the unboxing and the setup and all of that, but it's rubbish. And I'm really sad to say this because I was really looking forward to having a new Ambilight system because, as you know, in the past I've had the Ambilight TV from Philips Hue, which is incredible. I've tried the Neo Ambilight system from LightMe, which is pretty good given it takes an HDMI signal. And this one is obviously a camera-based system. So there's a camera pointing at the screen and then it uses that to determine the colours. But it's absolutely diabolical. It's really slow to respond. And when it does respond, it responds really badly. And it can get affected by anything from other lights in the room, other surfaces. If your TV is on a TV cabinet and that's got a bit of reflection or something, then that will affect it. So I tried it and the lower LED strip was just pink the whole time. And when the screen is off, so you expect there to be no light, it was just pink. So I'm like, I don't want a pink backlight in kind of the dark scenes of films. So all in all, I would not recommend it as an Ambilight system. Well, the Ambilight system we'll have to set up later because no TV here. But the light we can set up now. Let's see what it's like. So in the Govee app, okay, let's add the device. So this is indoor lighting. It is the Aura table lamp, not the Aura light. Create an account. Obviously, wouldn't be that easy, would it? Okay, so it is the Aura table lamp. Bluetooth nearby, I'm assuming that's that one. Aura table lamp. Oh, Wi-Fi info. I wish there was a better way of sharing Wi-Fi credentials. Right, we are in. Oh, firmware update, probably should. No point reviewing an old update. old firmware it is. Quite like this lamp, it's quite nice. When it's on, when it's off it's a bit ugly. Right, so we are in, let's just go back to the core app. We have, so along the bottom we've got our home screen, the Light Studio. Oh, that's cool, so you can download other people's light effects, see what they've got on. Forum, a shop, and your user rapid replacement. Okay, so an odd app, I think it's safe to say, an odd app. So a table lamp we can turn on and off. Very slow fade off. We have an effects lamp where we can change colours. That's quite nice. And we can see not sure that's the same colour, but that's quite cool. We've got a timer. We've got a nice brightness. Does look like it dims quite nicely, and 1% is dim, so that's good. And we've got a mode, we can either flash to music. It kind of does something. We've got a basic colour, a scene. That's a sunrise scene, apparently. So that's a fish tank, apparently, can you tell? So there are some interesting scenes. I'm sure some of them are nicer than others. This is apparently breathing. Quite a fast breathing. What about healing? Right. So some interesting scenes, and then you can add some DIY. What's DIY? Effect, a finger sketch. A professional level finger sketch. Now let's have a simple level finger sketch. Running counterclockwise. Does that look anything like what I drew? I'm not sure. So I've had the light up and running for a few weeks now and used it quite a lot, and I have to admit, I really like it. It's a cool little light, it's very bright, it's nice to have kind of that simple animation, that bit of movement in your lights, just to provide a bit of variation and contrast in the background. A bit like obviously what you can do with WLED, but it's nice having that in a single unit as such. You can integrate it into Home Assistant via hacks, and it just gives you kind of an on-off, a brightness and a colour. So it doesn't let you control any modes or set any scenes or any automations. Now, don't get me wrong, I do like Govee stuff. I really like that lamp, and I would really like to try out some of their other things. They've got some cool light panels, a bit like Nanoleaf. They've got lots of kind of light bars and floor lamps and other things that you can mount in various places that all look really cool. So I would like to try their other stuff. It just so happens that the TV backlight as a concept doesn't work. So there we go, that is a Govee Aura light and the Govee TV immersion strip thing reviewed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and click the bell icon to find out more about my smart tech and how you can build yourself the ultimate smart home.